I'm James Swinney with your Peninsula Energy Commodities Report on a Wednesday afternoon right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And there's a lot going on right behind me, and I will update you on that. Trading, yes, it has been halted right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And we're still all awaiting word right here at the floor. The traders, investors, reporters, all awaiting official word from the New York Stock Exchange as to what the apparent halt has been so far. It's been called a technical glitch, technical issues, but we're not going to jump into conclusions until we hear it from them themselves. But New York Mercantile Exchange, commodities trade, options, futures, they're still running, not affected by this stop. And let's first begin with WTI crude oil futures erasing gains this Wednesday afternoon after data showed that oil supplies in the U.S. rose unexpectedly last week. Now, the U.S. EIA said in its weekly report that U.S. crude oil inventories rose by 384,000 barrels in the week ended July 3rd. Now, over at the New York Mercantile Exchange, crude for August delivery down 64 cents, 1.22%. The last trade at $51.69 a barrel. At the same time, gold prices turning higher this Wednesday after hitting a 4-month low earlier in the session as investors, they turn their attention to the release of the minutes from the Federal Reserve's latest policy meeting later in the session. Investors also continuing to monitor developments surrounding Greece's debt crisis as well as mounting losses in China's Shanghai Stock Index. Now, gold futures for August delivery on the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange hitting an intraday low of 1146.20 a troy ounce. That's a level not seen since March 18th. This before recovering to last trade at 1154.20 a troy ounce. That's up about 0.16%, $1.60. And also on the COMEX, silver futures for September delivery declining 6.2 cents, about 0.41% to last trade, $14.90 a troy ounce.